Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve marks in Betterment. First, let's set clear goals. Start by defining specific, measurable academic goals for each subject you're studying. Break these larger objectives into smaller, manageable weekly tasks to make them less daunting. Remember to review your progress regularly, perhaps every 2 weeks, to stay on track and adjust your approach as needed. This foundational step is crucial for sustained improvement. Next, let's talk about smart study techniques. Actively engage with your study material using proven methods such as spaced repetition, which helps reinforce learning over time. Make sure to practice past papers and solve problems regularly. This builds confidence and familiarizes you with exam formats. Always seek feedback on your work from teachers or peers to pinpoint specific areas where you can improve. These strategies are key to deeper understanding. Mastering your time is essential for academic success. Create a structured study schedule and commit to following it daily, ensuring consistency. Prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance, tackling the most critical items first. During your study sessions, actively minimize distractions like social media or unnecessary notifications to maintain better focus. Effective time management allows for productive learning and reduces stress. Finally, prioritizing your well-being is crucial for sustained academic improvement. Ensure you get adequate sleep, maintain a balanced diet, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or tutors for help when you encounter difficulties. They are there to support you. Maintaining a positive mindset and celebrating small achievements along the way will keep you motivated and resilient on your journey to betterment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.